Kilarigbo Live TV.
I'm going to try as much as cry. I'm a cry baby, but I'm going to try as much as possible not to. Today is like a dream come true for me. Kiki, what's wrong with this mic? The last time I did big screen was like 12 years ago, 13 years ago, thereabouts. And I have longed to do a beautiful cinema film. So beginning of this year, I told God, I said, God, this year, I want to do a cinema job. And not just a cinema job. I want to do a great film. I want to do a film that will be entertaining and impactful. But Kosovo, you know, it's not, if you want to shoot a good job, a great film, it requires a lot of funds. So January went, I didn't see the money. February went, I didn't see the money. March went, I still didn't see the money. April, May, June, no money. And I'm like, God, going to come true for me this year. I have this beautiful story and I want it for the big screen and the big screen alone. I'm like, so what month did I stop? I want to be sure you guys are following my story. July, August, September came. And then, September. All of you, give God a round of applause. Give God a round of applause. Yes. So we actually shot this film in September, even though I'd had the script from the beginning of this year. And then we shot. It was still like a dream for me. For Dada, everybody. And then I picked a date, which is December 15, for it to be released in the cinemas. And here we are today. Here we are today. I mean, I'm standing in front of you and I'm about to present my cinema job. Like, this is my first major cinema film. You all are going to love this film. As in, I am so happy that you all came out for me. And I'm using this as a point of contact before this year runs out. That thing that you're believing God for. That thing that you're believing God. That thing that you're believing God for. Take it. Take it. Take it. This version that you're about to see is not the main version. The main version of the film has gone to the cinemas, has been distributed. But this version is for just the screening, this premiere. Whatever me fair. Do you know what I mean by So borne, you go away. Whatever me fair. You are going to love this film from beginning to the end. So guys, I'm about to present to you the movie of the season. This film, let me allow you to watch it. Ada Omodadi, I'm sure a lot of people are wondering why the title is Ada Omodadi, Igbo, Yoruba. This film is a cross-cultural film, and that's why we have the title Ada Omodadi. But when you watch it, you would understand on 100 why that title is. But before I allow you to enjoy this film, I have to do this. not to a skit maker. I mean, this man did everything to promote this film for me. You all saw it on social media. You know, I said, babe, I want me to travel. And the show was in there. Oh, when I went, yeah, Joe and Joe Kashama don't film me. And he didn't even argue. It was like anything to support you. Anything to make you achieve your dream. All the way for you. And we even wear women's clothes to dance to, what's that house boy song? Let's sing it. Oh yeah. So please, can you all give Alhaji Kazim Adeoti of Mercy a resounding round of applause. Thank you guys. I love you. God bless.
Please put our hands together for Mercy Aigbe.
Awww jẹ́ iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ láti sọ nípa àṣà ìṣe àti ìṣe wa pàápàá jùlọ bí unity ṣe wà láàrin Yorùbá, Hausa àti Igbo tá ní máa ṣe segregation. A gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ one family.
Ìgbà tí mo rí trailer fíìmù yìí, mo mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tó lágbára ni, iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ iṣẹ́ gidi ni, because as an actor àti producer and director, tí bá ní kí n wo ní all that angles kí n fi wo, mo mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ yìí iṣẹ́ tó lágbára, iṣẹ́ tó dáa ni. Tí a bá wo movie, mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè, mi ò lè sọ pé àìmọye movie tó yẹ kó máa wo trailer àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n kàn demo síbẹ̀ ni, but tó bá wo film tán, but as a director tí n bá wo ní angle yẹn again, mo mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí mo rí yẹn is going to be great one. So my expectation is very high. So, and I know Mercy will never disappoint our audience.
All make this possible. Can you all come? Please come. Okay, guys, I just want to say very big thank you for coming. Thank you. I'm sorry we took so much of your time. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, can we give a round of applause to my cast? Can we give a round of applause to my cast? And my So, guys, please, I don't have the mic, so I'm going to be screaming at some of my voice. So please spread the word. Now my daddy is in cinemas. Can I get the mic? Yes. The 14th pre-screening in some cinemas, 14, 15 in all cinemas nationwide. Another question for Adeo. Spread the word. God bless you for coming. I love you. I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. There is after
my dad, Big Mo, my family.
Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations to us. We made a movie. Everybody, thank you. Oh, we made a film. Spread the word, guys. Spread the word. I don't want that is in cinemas. Spread the word. This is an amazing December 15th.
Spread the word. Please, guys, December 15th, kindly be at the cinemas to watch Awww. This is extremely gorgeous. This is beautiful. I like every part of it. Please, guys, spread the word.
Spread the word, guys.
And Yola Badmo say so. And Yola Badmo say so.
Spread the word. This is a family film. This is a holiday film. This is a film for the season, for the holiday season. And it's a film for all the family. family, please spread the word. Spread the word. Go to a cinema close to you to see Awww Daddy.
You did so well. I enjoyed the movie. You swear it's tomorrow. But tomorrow you see the review. Wait on stage on Saturday.
Okay, Chi.
Oh my! Do you know I thought you were in Michigan? I didn't know you came all the way.
I just go back.
Victor,
Thank you for coming. Thank
Coming Abimbola Estaja, you love of Christ Generation Church, Glory of God Christ. Nítorí pé Sister Mercy, ọ̀rẹ́ wọn kan HNK, wọ́n náà fẹ́ rí mi, ó wá lọ ọgbà church wa láti fi ṣe ibi tó ti shoot film yẹn lára ẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ pé lẹ́nu kí n jọ kí wá Awww Daddy. Èmi ò móríkì mi, mo móríkì ọkọ mi, ọmọ anáyé, ọmọ olóko èṣù jẹ́mbèlè, ta ló ṣolókòwé, ó ṣubú síta àgádà, ó fẹnu gbé tolúbe, Ìkòròdú moríwù, ó ṣàlè jẹ̀jẹ̀ bí ẹni tí òróbìnrin ní. Esther Ajayi wà nílé, èmi lọmọ Àwórì, ọmọ afẹjayẹja.
Àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi nílé àti lóko, bó ṣe jẹ́ pé àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi wọ́n gbé oko, ìlú ni gbogbo wa ń gbé. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olúwàbùkúnmi Bísí Adéàga Ìlọrí aka Kiki. Lónìí a wà ní Film House Cinemas ní Lekki Phase 1 láti wá wo Awww Daddy the premiere. Èmi ni red carpet host. Ẹni pé mo ró dẹ́dẹ́ ẹni tó bá lóhùn orí mi ò rí nǹkan kan díẹ̀ torí no èmi gan mọ̀ pé mi ò kó kéré rárá, mi ò tiẹ̀ try láti kó kéré rárá, mo bù tó kún ni. And nígbà tí wọ́n ti message sọ fún mi pé òní ni premiere Awww Daddy, mi ò tẹ̀ really fọkàn sí lọ títí. Bọ̀gbà tí mo wá rí trailer yẹn mo ní ó wà lẹ́ẹ̀tọ́ ilẹ̀ wa rárá sọ díẹ̀díẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ṣe ibi là máa wà a rẹ̀ ti wà ń bí lẹ́nu.
Kilarigbo Live TV.